So you want it or not?
I do. I want it.
Where you want it at?
I want it in my bathtub.
All right.
Fellows and gentlemen and ladies and Pisces, this is Caleb. This is his A3 and he just got it after I convinced him to join the Volkswagen Audi family. So we're gonna be modifying it for the rest of our lives.
Forever.
Forever and ever. It's a 2019 A3 with Quattro. Quattro. That's 4 in Spanish, if you didn't know. And we lowered it on some, what kind of springs are they? Wait, they're EMD, right? I think it's EMD. But we lowered it the first week that he got it, and it's now been like 2 weeks that he got it. And well, we got some stuff to install. We got an 034 Motorsport sway bar. He got an EQT coil grounding kit, and an 034 dog bone insert, and a spooler. Good stuff. So we're gonna do that. Obviously my GLI is pretty built at this point, so there's not like a whole lot of stuff I can film on it. So we're gonna build another MQB car on this channel moving forward. He's gonna be like faster than me in like 2 months, so you know, stay tuned. But let's get into it. Okay, so we got the car jacked up and he's starting on the coil ground kit. I already made a video on how to do this, so I'm not gonna like go super in depth, but basically he's gonna be pulling out, ooh, that's hot, pulling off the grounds off the nuts here. And then once the coil pack connectors are off, we're gonna depin it. But while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the dog bone insert. So I gotta get under the car. That's why it's jacked up. And then once he gets done with that, I get on the dog bone, do the sway bar, and so let's do it. Skid pan is removed, and Caleb got out all the grounds. So now he's gonna have to depin them and stick the little thingy inside here, pull out this wire, and then basically feed in the new wires like this. So that should be pretty easy. And then for me, I have to undo these 3 bolts under the car that are holding in the pendulum mount, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. All right, so, ow, that is hot as shit. All right, so under the car, here's the dog bone insert bolt. We need to remove that, and I believe that is a 21 millimeter. Yeah, 21. And then this bolt right here is the pendulum, and these are both an 18. So we need to basically pull out this pendulum, and then we're gonna have to remove this, and that way we can slide in our new upper insert and our lower dog bone insert as well. Now, I don't know the actual torque spec for these, but they're tight as shit. Yeah, and when you tighten it back up, make sure it's literally about as tight as you can go. Ow. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the center one off raw strength, or if we're gonna have to go grab the impact. Nope, I'm gonna need the impact. Raise hail and praise Dale.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
Easy money. Would you look at that? Now, whenever I do this, I like to kind of just set it in the order that I pulled them out, so that way I know which one goes where. If I'm looking at it from like right here, you know what I mean? So. Now from here, we can get a bunch of shit in our eyes. Should be able to slip in the new stuff. That pendulum mount is hot as balls, but now go ahead and take our upper mount like this, and we're gonna slide it in the spot where the pendulum slides through, I believe. I feel like I need some sort of grease or something. Give me a long screwdriver. All right, make sure you got some Diddy when you do this. It's directional. The 034 logo should be facing towards the front of the car. And now we're gonna take our new bolt, lightly start threading it in. Uh-oh, my socket's too big. Wait, that's the wrong size socket. See these 2 holes right here? Mm-hmm. There's basically mounting points on the transmission. And these 2 bolts are gonna go, this one in here, this shorter one in the back.
Okay.
So I am going to have to push the transmission forward, and you're gonna have to basically line up and start threading them in.
Cool.
That's the back one.
This one?
Yeah. Or no, that's the back.
This one?
Yeah, yeah. And then the other one's right behind you.
If we get this one started, that should be fine, right?
Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Should be okay to go.
All right. Is it threading?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Damn.
But no, that should be good right there.
Got a marketplace delivery from John.
Marketplace? Marketplace?
John?
Yeah.
For you.
This for me? Marketplace delivery? I did need it. What's your name, sir?
George.
George? All right, George. We got an engine, chat.
That's good.
Das gut. Das ist für das Auto da hinten. Das hier.
So you want it or not?
I do. I do. I want it.
Where you want it at?
I want it in my bathtub.
All right.
All right, in my bathtub she go. Hey, watch the whip.
Looking at it.
Okay.
I hit it. Smack that.
I mean, I hope you do. I need insurance money.
Smack it.
Smack that hoe. All right. Let's get it off.
Wait. Let's think about this. Okay. We put it down. We don't want to crush our fingers. How are we going to do that?
Okay, that's going to be tricky. I feel like if we got it from the two sides here, we kind of just set it down at an angle, lower it.
Yeah. We'll try to sit down on the side.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, ow, my toe. Shit.
Everybody good?
Yeah. Yep.
We're good? Oh, wow. Oh, my toe got crushed.
Yeah, my neck's starting to cramp up.
That was heavy.
But we made it. We did it. That was scary.
Go team. That was. Got done with the coil grounding kit, routed it through here to this ground over here, and I went down under the car, did the dog bone insert like y'all saw, and I tightened up everything just a minute ago, so it should be good. Now they are doing the spooler, and obviously what y'all saw just a minute ago, this was the new truck engine that we got, and I'm gonna have to show this in another video, but that's the sneak peek. Back to the regularly scheduled program. Garrett's the spoiler man. If you're located in Georgia,
Nope. I'm out of business.
if you're located in Georgia,
Don't hit me up.
look up MG Auto Detailing and ask him for a spoiler install.
It'll
Specifically,
be $5,000.
especially on a GLI with the factory trunk spoiler.
Absolutely not.
Garrett did a paint correction on the A3, polish on Kaleb's car a couple weeks ago, and like, it turned out so good. This color is like crazy, man. Such a good color. Look at that. That is mint. Obviously, I mentioned it before, but he does paint corrections and ceramic coatings. MG Auto Detailing. Go check him out. They did my car a couple years ago, and good work. Dude, that's gonna look. Oh, dude. That's an aggressive look. Damn. All right, fellas. Well, I got to get going. So we're going to continue this tomorrow and install the sway bar. Look at that beautiful little Audi A3. All right, anyways, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Boys, we are back again. Once again, it's your motherfucking boy, Mark 7 John. We are doing the sway bar on the A3. I know I said we would be doing it tomorrow. It is approximately 3 weeks later, but Caleb's got the sway bar, so we're gonna be doing that today. I don't even know where the sway bar is. Oh, we gotta undo these two bolts holding on the sway bar right there. Oh, Caleb, those are triple squares. Yeah, so we gotta undo those, and then we gotta undo the sway bar end link right here, which is a 13mm, and then we gotta pretty much just finesse it out of the area down here. And it's gonna be very similar to my GLI when we ended up doing that, and it's just a lot of finesse because you gotta pretty much wiggle waggle it until it comes out. Boop, 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 boop. For this, we are gonna need these bad boys. I don't know what size yet, but I'll go ahead and grab this. Grab a 13mm wrench, which should be over there, and a 13mm socket so that we can get the sway bar end links off, and I'll work on getting the actual bushings off for the sway bar. Remember, if you guys want me to work on your car, I'm not gonna do it, so just a heads up, because I'm probably gonna break something here. The only reason I'm comfortable working on your car is because, like, I know if I did fuck something up, you wouldn't be, like, terribly mad at me.
I'll kill you.
Yeah. Oh, bro, this is so annoying because the axle's in the way. All right, we got the A3 wrapped up, and yeah, Jake's here too with his, wait, this is not his GLI. His GLI is over there.
It's up there. Yeah.
But yeah, the 034 sway bar's in, and it's pretty late, pretty dark, so we're just kind of chilling, but you know how it goes. So I think we're gonna end the video though. I know there's not a whole lot of shit shown here, but like we're just kind of all hanging out and you know doing the car stuff while we're
Just
doing
guy
it.
talk.
Guy talk, yeah. A lot of
Guy
things
talk.
we can't say on YouTube. So, anyways, catch you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, then you won't get any lemonade tomorrow. So,
This lemonade's good.
yeah, no lemonade tomorrow. All right, peace out.